out, my affiliate link for Amazon will be down below, and also my affiliate link to their website, Ewin Gaming. Check them out. See what other gaming chairs they have to offer besides this one. But if you like this one, all you gotta do is click that link, add it to your cart. This is the time to buy now. They got great deals going on. Get them now before they're gone, because like I said, with the holidays are fast approaching, and everyone's doing their Twitch thing, TikTok, and this is a good one to get to be comfortable sitting down for the next few hours on your PC, your gaming station area, or just a normal sit-down chair. This is going to be the night series. We got some kind of blue and black design. Definitely liking that. Got a big old box, top to bottom. And we're about to open it up and see what it looks like. Be right back. Alright guys, this is what it looks like out of the box. You get all your tools and whatnot, your wheels, probably the pumps, a few other things that I forgot, but they're all in there. Really nice color, electric blue, not Electric Avenue, but electric blue. I'm liking this. Big old back support, and we got that down there, so everything's all good with that part. Now I just gotta put this thing together. And there's the bottom base. Got the Bluetooth on it. I don't know if you guys can see, but it's there. A really cool X-Wing. Or Ewin. Not X-Wing, that's Star Wars. Oh boy. One of those days, guys. But definitely can't wait to put this together. Give it a test drive. So, we'll be right back. Alright guys, it does come with instructions. And then shows the lineups. Different kind of styles they have. And it comes with a pair of gloves. And 2 pillows. Look at this. We got the headrest right there. And then the lumbar. Really nice bottom. Give it a good smack. So you got these adjust here. Have an upper. Really easy to put together. Let me lean it back. Uh-oh, I might fall. There we go. And then got it there. I like these armrests because it's bigger. Feels a lot more comfortable than like a slim style, kind of like that. But I like this style better. Get more cushion right here. These are pretty comfortable, pretty soft. And then leans back. Got the lever there. And the lever to go up and down. I already got it to the max. Here's the back. There we go. So like I said, check them out. I'll leave my links down below. And order now. Take it easy. Be safe.